Hello my friends, welcome back to another video of Tech Over. Today in this video I just want to show you how to send a snap from your iPhone device's photos gallery in your Snapchat. So if you just want to know about this, follow my video instruction. First of all, I just want to send a video to one of my friends here on Snapchat and you will see how it will be gone. So you can see I got the video like this. It's not just like view one time. So if you just want to send a video like this, when I just open the camera and recording it, when I just pause and sending that to my friends, you can see it will be just delivered. So how you can send a video like this from your iPhone device's photos, and let me show you how we can do this. First of all, open the effect, search for upload. Once you just got that, you open this effect and choose any video you just want to send. For example, this one. When I just got this, I just press the button to start recording the video. And just send it to your friend. And you can see this video, it will be sent to my friend. Here we go. Let's go ahead to check that. When I open the chats, you can see we got delivered. So this is all about how we can send a snap from your iPhone device's photos. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please subscribe to my channel, share this video to your friends if you like the video. Don't forget to hit the like button. See you until next quick tutorial videos. Bye bye my friends, peace.